Hi everybody, it is NAVIFORCE channel. The NF9202L got great attention since it is released, so today we will have an unboxing review of our new watch, the NF9202L. Okay, now let's start. Okay, still the black box is quite textured, and here the logo is quite clear printed on the center of the box. Okay, let me rip it off. Here is the instruction manual and the guarantee card. And this is the box. This is the watch that we will unbox today. Powered by a Japanese Quartz movement, this watch is durable to use, and it shows a sense of retro and college style. First, let's have a look at the back side here. From the back side, you can know the model number and the material of the bag. It is stainless steel, and we provide the professional waterproof for 3 ATM. It can satisfy your daily needs. It is used the hardened mineral glass so that it is quite scratch resistant and durable to use here. All parameter is put at the upper right screen. You can see the case diameter of this model is 46 mm, and the thickness here is the 13.5 mm. Okay, the total length here of this watch is 260 mm, and you can notice the strap make use of nice PU material with an easy adjusted pin buckle, and the leather is quite textured, and it is soft and comfortable and convenient to wear this watch. Here the stitching lines on the leather strap is very nice. Now I'm going to introduce you more details about this watch. On the upper right and the bottom left side, you can see the funny design. This the 1, 2, 3. Here the numerals represent the countdown numeral design, and here the sports watch complementing with the countdown design each other. Quite sporty and fashionable. And the hands here are adopted the same colors as the markers. In this watch it's yellow here, so it is quite clear to see the time at night or the dark places, showing a sense of uniform harmony. And with Here on the dial surface, you can see the 3-dimensional stars on the dial surface and the cross-step Paris pattern. Here, this watch, the overall design of this watch is quite chic and fashion. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. As you can see, there are 5 colors of this model. Okay, the first one color is the black yellow. It is with the black case, the yellow markers, and the light brown leather strap. Okay, the second one is the silver blue with the black leather strap. Okay, the silver case here is frosted case and with the blue markers and the black leather strap. Very fascinating. And the third one is the silver white. It is with the silver case and the white markers and the deep brown leather strap. Okay, now the fourth one is the black green. It is with the solid black case and the deep green studs here, the markers, and the deep green the leather strap. This kind of green is very nice, so buy it. And the last one color is the black gray. It is with the black gray, the markers, and the silver case, and it is with the deep gray leather strap. This color is quite different and also is fashionable to match your clothes. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9202L today. Please thumb up and subscribe, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more content. See you next video. Bye bye.